9 subject maths unit 2 topic polynomial subtopic application of algebraic identities. Now today we will discuss application of algebraic identities. Here we will discuss some questions of exercise 2.5 NCERT. Let me discuss question number 13. Question number 13, exercise 2.5. In this question, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, we have to show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz. Here we will prove it, we will show it, but we must learn, you must learn it. It is also an identity. If we have three numbers x, y and z and we know that their sum is 0, अगर हमारे पास तीन नंबर्स हैं, one number is x, second number is y and third number is z, and we have their sum is 0. The sum of three numbers is 0. Then the sum of their cubes, उनके cubes का जो sum होगा, that will be equal to 3xyz. This must be learned. ये हमें याद करना होगा, ध्यान रखना होगा. So here we will show it, and it also algebraic identity. In the next question, we will use it. Here, solution. We know an algebraic identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. इसके जो फैक्टर्स हैं, फैक्टर्स आर द ऑफ दिस एक्सप्रेशन x plus y, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. These are the factors of this algebraic expression x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. This is an algebraic expression, and the factors of it can be factorized like this: x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. These are the factors of this algebraic expression. This is an algebraic identity, and here we are given x plus y plus z is 0. It is given to us. Then we put it x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals to x plus y plus z. We are given it is 0. 0 bracket x square plus y square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Then we have x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals to, now this factor x square plus y square plus z square, this factor x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This factor, when it will be multiplied with 0, it will give us 0. इस फैक्टर को अगर हम 0 से इंटू करते हैं, then we obtain 0. In this way, now we have x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz. We will transfer it and we obtain 3xyz. In this way, at last we obtain x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. It is only when we are given x plus y plus z equals to 0. ये जो हमने फैक्टर्स करे थे यहाँ पर x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz के, in this factor we have put x plus y plus z is equal to 0 and this is given to us and we have put it, and after putting we obtain x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So this is has been proved and you must know it. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. This identity we will use in question number 14. Now we see question number 14. In question number 14, you see, without actually calculating the cube, finding the each of the following. First part of question number 14, very much important question. Question is, question number 14, without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of each of the following. First part is minus 12 का cube plus 7 का cube plus 5 का cube. Then here we will see we have three numbers: minus 12 first number, 7 second number, and 5 is third number. We find their sum. Let x is equal to minus 12, let y is equal to 7, let z is equal to 5. Now we obtain x plus y plus z is equal to minus 12 plus 7 plus 5, and we obtain minus 12 plus 12, and that is equal to 0. And this way we find x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Here we are seeing x plus y plus z is equal to 0, and just we have shown it in the previous question. But we have shown if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then what will happen? X cube plus y cube plus z cube, it will become equal to 3xyz. Now we put the values of x, y and z. Minus 12 p cube, like this. We are putting value of x, y and z. Minus 12 p cube plus 7 p cube plus 5 p cube equals to, we obtain 3 into minus 12 into 7 into 5. Now we multiply it. Minus 36 into 35, multiply themselves and obtain the final answer. So this is the way to find out the sum of cubes of three numbers. Like this, if we show that x plus y plus z, if it is 0, then this is equal to this one. Now see the next question. In the same way, second part, cube of 28 plus cube of minus 15 plus cube of minus 13. The same question, same pattern. In the same way we will do it. Let x is equal to 28, let y is equal to minus 15, let z is equal to minus 13. The same way we will apply here to solve out it. Now we find x plus y plus z, 28 plus minus 15 plus minus 13. Now we obtain x plus y plus z is equal to 28 minus 15 minus 13 equals to 13 minus 13 equals to 0. Now we are obtaining x plus y plus z is equal to 0. And what will happen if x plus y plus z is equal to 0? When x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube, it will become equals to x, y, z. Now we will put values of x, y and z. What was x? 28 की cube. What was y? Minus 15 की cube. What was z? Minus 13 की cube. Equals to how much? 3 into 28 into minus 15 equals into minus 13 is equal to 84. माइनस को माइनस से इंटू करेंगे, then we obtain plus. Now multiply 13 by 15, 45, 195. Now multiply 195 to 84 and obtain the final answer. This is the way to solve such type of questions.